Hello friends, today we will discuss about clinical research. So first we will understand what is meant by clinical research. Clinical research is a detailed study about research about medicines and illness to people. So the main aim of the medical research is to improve the medical devices and the treatment of medicines of patient uh, in the pharmaceutical industry. Uh, First we will see the types of clinical research. So first one is investigational interventional research, interventional study. Interventional studies are nothing but the clinical trials. They are the trials on the small group from the small group of people to the large group of people, and they study the side effect of the clinical trial in the patient and find out the safety and efficacy of the medicine. Next is observational studies. Observational studies are done without experiment. Means they are the group of people is observed for a long period of time, and after taking medicine, and whatever side effect or adverse effect the people are facing, they record it and study on the particular medicine. Next is epidemiological studies. It is the study of patterns, process, and control of disease. Next we will see is phases of clinical trial. There are 4 phases of clinical trial: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4. In phase 1, the small group of people, nearly 20 to 80 people, are given a small amount of drug to find out the safety of the drug on humans. In phase 2, the dose is determined. And the safety and efficacy is find out of the particular drug in ill patient, or in ill patient. In phase 3, the phase 3 is the phase 3 includes the largest number of people. Nearly 3,000 people are involved and are given medicines or drug, and 3,000 people, individual person is studied, and the study find out the side effect and long term adverse effect of the medicine or drug. And fourth clinical phase is also known as the fourth phase is also known as post marketing surveillance. It is the phase after the approval of drug in the market. It is the long term study after the approval of medicine in the market. Next we will see is the key element of clinical research. First we will see is informed consent. Informed consent is the permission of the participants, and the participant is informed about all the procedure of what what he or she will be going through in the clinical research. The individual is informed about the procedure, the time period, and the safety and also adverse effect of the clinical research, and he or she is in his consciousness and must be aware of what consequences he or she will be facing. Next is randomization and blinding. Randomization is done for to reduce biasness in the clinical research. Randomization is done by giving random by selecting random participants or random drug and given to the participants. Blinding is done. Blinding is the process in which the researcher or the patient is not knowing what drug he or she is receiving. This helps in the bias to reduce the biasness in clinical research. Next is ethics and regulatory standards. This involves clinical researcher must follow ethical guidelines and regulation to protect the participants' safety and rights. So this is all about the clinical research. Thank you.